All right, folks, Matt here again. In this video, I'm going to go over how you might start like a basic app by collecting some player data and storing it in a list. So I'm going to start out just making a costume for a default sprite in a brand new program that has nothing in it. And I'm just going to go to costumes and make up some kind of button. There are some default buttons in here. You can, of course, draw your own. But let's see here. There has to be a button. Let's just do this one. Import. So now we've got a button in the middle of the screen. And, we can say, we could just put something up here that says press button. And we can do, when green flag clicked, we can say go to 0, 0. So the button's in the middle of the screen. And then we get a forever loop. Something will loop here. But when I am clicked, we could run a script that says ask and answer. Ask and answer is the basic way we get things into our list. So we could say, what's your name? We can make a variable that's a list. So this could just be our info list. Okay, so it says info. When green flag is clicked, we can set info to an empty list by doing this. Okay, so now it's a list. And then we can add, where's the add? Add thing to list. We can add the answer to our info list. That could be your name. And then we could repeat that and say things like, how old are you? And we're going to add the answer to info list. And we could repeat that again and say, what is your favorite color? And add that to the list. So then we are adding items to the list. So when I click this, let's see if it works. What's your name? Matt. It's getting an error. It expected a list, but info is a number. It's 0. So I have to hit green flag first, and that sets info to a list. Now I'm going to click the button. What's your name? My name is Matt. It moves on. How old are you? I'm 500 years old because I'm super old. And what's my favorite color? I'm going to say green. So now this button has an item here. And now we can do something like, I haven't put anything in this forever loop, so we might not even need it right now. But so yeah, let's unplug it just for now. And what we're going to do is we'll move into another event after this is done. And one easy way to do that is to broadcast a message. So we could say broadcast greetings or something like that. And our app has begun. When I receive greetings, we're going to say something. And it's going to be talking to our user. So we're going to join items. And we can do this. We can say item of info. We know item 1 is the name. So we can say hello space item 1 of info. We can add a thing, comma, space. It is nice to meet you. Say that for 2 seconds. We're going to say a few things because this is an app that kind of talks to you and walks you through things. Duplicate this, and then we can say, it sounds like you are space item 2 is age, right? Item 2 years old, period. And get rid of this last thing. Whoops. And then after that, we can also say, I know that space item 3 space is your favorite color. All right, so now let's test all that out. Run it. List is empty. Click the button. What's your name? Matt. How old are you? 500 years old. My favorite color is green. Hello, Matt. It is nice to meet you. It sounds like you're 500 years old. I know that your favorite color, I know green is your favorite color. Okay, cool. So it is taking data into a list and spitting it back out at us. And look, we built all this in just like a matter of 5 minutes. So now we have an app that's already learning something about us and talking back to us. Now this app could go anywhere. This could go anywhere. It's just the beginning, right? And maybe I want to, you know, add like a beautiful background to my app. It's like the Mystic Desert, Magical Desert Green Button app. And so in this is a great start. We need to collect data on a user of an app if we're going to use the app. So we can go anywhere from here, but this is just a quick beginning about how we could start building a few algorithms that get our app started and deals with a list. I should put something that says click here, or it should say click me at the beginning, right? Let's say that. Click me to start. That'd be great. And maybe we do that at the beginning of the game. So that's a good beginning event. So I hit green flag. Click me to start. Okay, I click you. My name is Matt, and I am 1,000 years old, and my favorite color is black. Nice to meet you. Sounds like you're 1,000 years old. I know your favorite black is your favorite color. Okay, so and we can go anywhere from here. We could do conditionals like if item 3 equals black, then we're gonna show you some things or do this or that, or we'll just ask more questions and add things to another list. We could have several lists in this game. This is just the beginning. All right, quick 6.5 minute video. This is how you can get started on any app. This could be the beginning of any app. So it's nice to have things like this to collect some data and store it just to get started. All right, see you next time.